Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Tutorial Tuber channel. In the fourth lecture of the 3D modeling, we are going to discuss sketch rename, zoom to fit and selected zoom tool. First of all, we will start with the front plane, click on the sketch and we are going to make a sketch. For example, we are going to make a circle, a rectangle, a line, and that's it. After that, you want to rename this sketch. For example, you want to rename it as circle and rectangle. You will click on this, right click and click on the feature properties. As you can see here, name, you can change name for example rectangle and circle. After that, we will click on OK, and as you can see, the name is changed. Whenever you bring the cursor near to the rectangle and circle, you will see that this will glow, so it will show that this is the rectangle and circle sketch. After that, we are going to check on the zoom fit tool. For example, if you have rolled down the mouse roller and it has gone so small, you want to fit it according to the screen, so you will simply click on this button and as you can see, it is automatically zoomed in. And the second tool is selected zoom. For example, if you want to zoom only this circle, so that this circle may become so larger so that you can work upon it. So for this purpose, you will click on to this tool, which is zoom to fit or selected zoom, and you will select this. After that, you will see that it has raised or increased the size of this circle so that it may be brought to the attention. When you uncheck this, you will see that it remains at the same. If you want to make the whole sketch fit to the screen, you will simply click on this, and as you can see that it has fitted the whole sketch into the screen. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.